Spec. Unit type. Rectifier, regulator, voltage, 12, brief, 12 volt 15 amp used on, Tecumseh, Sears, others, with Kohler K181, K301, K321 and K582 engines. Replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, 230-22019, JN, 230-22019, AM 33845, AM 37200, Kohler, 237335, 25-40322S, 41-403-06, 41-40306S, TEMCO, TMRE 222. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare that it does not, well, replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket rectifier regulator built to meet OEM specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Rectifier regulator. For its money, this is a great product. This is doing its job. Simple to install, just have to remember that it needs to be sitting on a clean metal surface to ground itself.